Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class I'm just going to teach you about some basic things. Actually, I just want to guide you about the documents status, which means the ready state property, and the status of the HTTP. This one is called the HTTP status. This one is basically called the document status, which is actually called the ready state property, the ready state. Okay, so did you remember that we just used any index.html page? Here the ready state should be 4, in fact must be 4, and the status must be 200. So first we are just about to talk about the ready state 4. I'm going to the new one, and there is the 0 1 2 3 4. So if the ready state is 0, that means the request not initialized. Number 1, if the ready state is 1, so server connection is established, means basically these are the steps of the ready state, the page status. Okay, all that completes when it reaches to the number 4 step. We just got the result, and we just bounded the result until we got the ready state of 4. By the way, I'm just going to teach you about more now. If when the ready state is on number 2, that means the request has been received. So now when we reach to the number 4, the request has been, in fact request must be received to the page. Okay, now processing request, when it reaches the ready state reaches to the number 3, the request has been processed also after receiving, and now it comes to the number 4, request finished and response is ready to get. So now we can simply paste the response to anywhere, and the response we paste in the word in the method called the response text. So then what is the status? First of all, the 200, probably you just see in this one the 404, which means page not found. Okay, the 500, which means some kind of server error on a website or somewhere. By the way, the 403 means the forbidden, if anyone secured the page. So we just get the error of the 403. The 404 is most common. The HTTP status means the page not found or something, but the status of the 200, which means the page is there and request worked perfectly, and we just on a perfect HTTP address. So we just need the 200 as status, and the level of the ready state must be reached to the 4. So there, I hope you understood about these things, the ready state and the status. So in this way we just go on and we just get the result. We'll talk about some other things of the AJAX, like how to put some more data. You know, if I just go to the process ajax.php, we are only sending a few data. So we'll talk about the data, how much data we can send, and how in how much ways we can send the data. We'll just talk about in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.